Have you ever wondered how the United States became the largest marketplace in the world? How a young country built not only wealth, but a trading system so powerful that it shaped global commerce for generations? Today on World Business Route, we take you on a journey through time, from small colonial shops to mighty stock exchanges, tech giants, and a consumer base that transformed the world economy. Stay with us, because the story of the USA marketplace is the story of how modern trade itself was born. In the late 1700s, America was just a collection of colonies, trading fur, tobacco, cotton, and raw goods. European buyers dominated trade, and the colonies had limited power. But the American Revolution did more than create a new country. It sparked a new economic mindset: trade freely, build locally, and sell globally. The idea that anyone could become a trader, entrepreneur, or investor. By the early 1800s, bustling city markets in New York, Boston, and Philadelphia started to grow beyond local produce. They became places to exchange goods from around the world. In 1792, 24 brokers signed the famous Buttonwood Agreement. This created what we know today as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. It turned the USA marketplace from local trade to investment-driven capitalism. People didn't just sell goods. They sold shares in companies that made them. As factories rose in the Industrial Revolution, the U.S. marketplace exploded with mass-produced goods: steel, textiles, machines, railroads. American cities turned into powerful hubs connecting factories, ports, and banks, creating an ecosystem that could support massive trade. By the early 20th century, American culture shifted. It wasn't only about making products. It was about selling them everywhere. Brands like Coca-Cola, Ford, and Levi's didn't just sell in the USA. They sold a lifestyle the world wanted. The rise of department stores, mail-order catalogs, and later shopping malls made products accessible from coast to coast, something the world had never seen at this scale. That's when the U.S. became not just a producer, but the widest marketplace in the world, where anything could be bought and sold. Fast forward to the 1990s, the internet turned the U.S. marketplace global overnight. Companies like Amazon and eBay changed the game. Suddenly, a small seller in Ohio could sell to buyers in Europe, Asia, or Africa. And American consumers could buy anything from anywhere, anytime. By the 2000s and beyond, platforms like Shopify and Etsy empowered millions of small businesses. America's market became not just wide, but borderless. Today, the USA isn't just the biggest consumer market. It's the first stop for global brands launching new products. It's home to the largest tech platforms, financial markets, and retail chains. American buyers and investors help shape what the world produces, sells, and even dreams about. That's why understanding this history isn't just about the past. It helps us see how trade, innovation, and culture work together to build powerful markets. So what can we learn from the rise of the USA marketplace? Innovation and openness can turn local trade into global influence. Consumer demand drives production, not just the other way around. New technology can redefine who can trade and how fast they can grow. And most of all, markets aren't just numbers. They're built by people, ideas, and bold risk-takers. If you enjoyed this journey through history, subscribe to World Business Route. In every episode, we explore different cities and markets that shape our world economy. From Yiwu in China to Istanbul, Milan, Sialkot, and beyond. Comment below, which market or city should we explore next? And remember, behind every product you use there's a story. And often, it starts with a marketplace. Subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.
Comment if you have any questions about this video. Thanks for watching.